Listen, our current Attorney General, who, by the way, welched on this debate, and it's a sign of his arrogance that he's not here. This is an
Republican Eric Early taking aim today at Javier Becerra, and so did Democrat Dave Jones.
The appointed Attorney General is not only missing in action.
Becerra, represented by this empty chair, did not attend today's event before the Sacramento Press Club, the one and only debate for Attorney General.
As after first accepting our invitation to join the debate, he withdrew, citing a schedule conflict.
In Becerra's absence, reporters asked the three candidates if they support the death penalty.
And if elected as California Attorney General, would you actively enforce it?
I strongly support the death penalty, unequivocally. And as Attorney General, I'm going to ensure to the best of my ability that the death penalty is implemented here in this state.
I would do whatever I could to see that it's enforced, and quite honestly, I would do what I could to speed up the enforcement of that penalty.
But a different point of view from Insurance Commissioner Dave Jones.
And so I err on the side of making sure that we don't inadvertently put to death someone who's innocent, and that's why I oppose the death penalty. But as Attorney General, I'll be sworn to uphold the laws of California, and so I will uphold that law.
California is actively fighting the Trump administration over immigration enforcement, enacting sanctuary laws that prohibit local police from cooperating with ICE agents. And U.S. Attorney General Jeff Sessions has fired back with a lawsuit against California.
I do support California's sanctuary city and sanctuary state laws, and I will defend them against the Trump administration.
But the two Republicans support the president on this issue.
I completely support the Trump administration's lawsuit on the sanctuary issue.
I'm an absolute opponent of the sanctuary state legislation. Frankly, I think it's unconstitutional.
The top two finishers in June will face off against each other in November, with the winner earning the right to work here inside this building as California's next Attorney General. In Sacramento, Mike Lurie, KCRA 3 News.